128 Ewell Place is a transitional ranch-style home located in Powhatan Secondary. This right-sized home offers main floor living with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a semi-open floor plan. Just to the left of the foyer is a spacious formal living room. The vaulted ceiling and natural light offer a bright, open feel. Opposite the formal living room is the formal dining room. Notice the lovely tray ceiling and wainscoting. Hardwood floors flow throughout the main living areas. If you go straight back from the entry, you come into the spacious open family room. This room features a vaulted ceiling with skylights and fireplace. The family room opens to the kitchen. You will enjoy casual meals in the breakfast nook while looking out over the wooded backyard. This kitchen offers just the right amount of space. You have plenty of storage and prep space with beautiful granite counters. The kitchen features custom cabinets. Notice the thoughtful storage solutions. You can see that the semi-open floor plan still offers open flow and good sight lines. You will enjoy easy access to the backyard deck from the breakfast nook. This home features a spacious deck with a wooded surround for privacy and serenity. The yard is a mix of natural wooded landscape with lawn area. The yard offers plenty of space for play or gardening. Back inside is the spacious main floor owner's suite. This bedroom features access to the backyard deck, perfect for relaxing mornings and evenings outside. The ensuite owner's bath is bright and spacious. Here you see the double vanity, vaulted ceiling, and window for bright natural light. This bath also features a spacious soaking tub and walk-in shower. The home also offers 2 additional bedrooms on the main floor. Guests will appreciate spacious bedrooms with ample closet space. The bedrooms share easy access to the main floor full bath. Over the garage is a bonus multi-purpose room.